Trip.com flight booking, how it works. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can book flights on Trip.com and how it generally works, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now first of all, you open your browser. You can actually use the Trip.com application, or you can go to Trip.com on your browser and it will redirect you to your respective regions. Once you have done that, you'll find a little toggle here that says flights, so just tap on the flights option. Now first of all, it's important to select from where you're trying to depart to which city you're trying to reach. So from here you can select the from location, and then you should be able to see a list of locations here. You can simply search for them or select them from the recommendations here. Once you've done that, you also want to select where you want to depart to, and once done you can select the return ones as well, and then tap the done option. Now you can choose the flight class. By the way, you can choose economy or you can choose premium economy, or if you want a direct flight without stoppage, let's say, you can also just check the option known as direct. After you do that, you can tap the search option. Then Trip.com will look for all of the eligible flights that are available. So here you can see the departure options, so you can just go ahead and select a certain flight depending upon your time and schedule that is much more comfortable for you. Then you can also select your return destination. Once you have done that, tap on the continue option. After that, it will give you a couple of prices options here. So you have economy class, and you have another one for 109 euros or dollars depending upon the city. You can select a certain plan depending on what is comfortable for you. After that, you just have to select the number of passengers here, give out their names, the nationality, the date of birth, tap on the save option, and then tap the continue option. Enter the ID number and the expiration date as well, and once you have done that, you'll have successfully booked your flight on Trip.com. Hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.